Hello! Welcome to this Liftoff tutorial video. Today, you're going to learn how to create product categories for your Liftoff site. First, if you haven't already, log into your Liftoff site to access the dashboard. Next, click the Products link from the sidebar menu, then click the Categories link from the submenu. From here, we're going to click the Add Category button to add a product category to our Liftoff site. On this page, we'll first add a name to the new category we're creating by entering one in the name field. This name will be used to identify the category inside Liftoff and will appear on category listings and elsewhere on your site. Next, we'll add a description. Descriptions provide a brief description of your category for category landing pages and elsewhere on your site. Once you've added a name and description, click the Save and Create button and you'll be taken to the Edit page for the category we just created. At the top of this page, we see three tabs: Category, where we are now, Landing Page, and Products. Starting with the Category tab, we can choose to update the name and description for our category, change its publication status, or add images. For the sake of this demo, we're going to leave the publication status as is, but we will be adding an image. In order to add an image, simply drag any image you'd like to use for the category inside the designated drop zone, which is the dotted rectangle. Alternatively, you can click on Drop File here to upload to open a file browser where you can select your image. Category images must be in JPEG, GIF, or PNG format. After you upload an image for your category, we can click the Save Changes button and move on to the next tab. Clicking on the Landing Page tab will bring us to a page where we can create a landing page. For the purposes of this demo, we won't be activating a landing page for our category. Since this feature doesn't actually apply to most users, we're going to move on to the last tab, Products. Clicking on the Products tab will take us to a page where we can select products to associate with this category. Clicking the drop-down Product menu, select a product you wish to add. After selecting, you'll notice that the product now shows up underneath. We're now free to remove it from the category or add additional products by selecting them from the menu again. Once we've added a product to the category, we're all done. Normally, you'll click the Done button at the very top to finish up and return to the category listing page. For the purposes of this demo, we're going to click the Delete Category button.